For the longest time, I always wanted to feel comfortable in my own skin. Pushing myself a lot and just being there for myself and having the support of my family as well has meant a lot for me. Happy to see you. Thank you so much for doing this.
Yeah. My technique provide redeem maximum 6 to 7 days.
I can't feel it now. This is a dream come true for me. After fighting a lot, the means to live a happy and fulfilling life.
Not yet conscious.
Hi. Hello. So confirm surgery was successful. Everything went smoothly. Alright. No complication. And I'm pleased with the result. Vira,
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Much, doctor.
You're welcome. Yeah, congratulations. You can talk to your daughter.
Anaya.
Right? Yes. Your dad, your mom.
Okay.
Do you have any pain?
No.
No pain. Okay. Any nauseous? Okay, good. Okay, can you move the legs now? Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Everything fine.
In the sense of recovery at first, like before going through the surgery, like of course you're gonna be scared, which is natural to be feeling scared. But Dr. Chetasak made sure that he's gonna put me under general anesthesia, and on top of that, I'll have epidural for my lower body. For the first 24 or 48 hours, which is the most painful time of the surgery, I could barely feel any pain. But rest of the time, I would say at maximum it was 2. Yeah, it depends on person to person, but for me, the pain was very bearable. Dr. Chetasak's signature technique, which is the NPI technique, it's like you can't distinguish the one that Dr. Chet does. To be honest, as soon as I saw that, I thought that this is the place for me. The visual look of it, it looks as biologically aesthetic or similar as possible. Already looks so natural, so good. Like, I'm just so happy. Like, I can't express it in words. It's mind-blowing, and it's something like I always wanted this, and now Dr. Chet was the one who could be there for me, and I'm so glad. Dr. Chetasak is a magician like now. It's been close to 3 weeks and I'm walking normally now, although while sitting there's a little bit of discomfort and pressure, but I think that should be fine as I'm recovering. So in terms of sensation and everything, I can feel every bit of it, like because of the NPI technique as well. At the same time, Dr. Chet makes sure that there's sensation down there. So compared to I think other techniques or other surgeons in the world, Dr. Chet's technique has helped me gain sensation very quickly, like right away surgery. I spoke to a few of my friends who got this surgery done, and me being an athlete and a sports person at the same time, I thought for me personally that if I go for the being very active on the field, I don't want it to cause any harm to me long term. So that's why I thought like this is a much safer route for me at the same time. And I would recommend like please choose a technique according to your liking, cause it depends upon your lifestyle and what feels best for you. And I'm sure Dr. Chet will do a great job either way. So in terms of dilation, the whole nursing staff was there to help and guide me in order how to dilate and how to make sure that you need to be thorough with it. I got a schedule of dilation as well at the same time, and I can't emphasize this enough, like you need to give dilation the utmost importance. Just cause Dr. Chet has come and given you the surgery, it's your responsibility to do the dilation, and please be thorough with it cause you don't want to lose them. In terms of my experience with dilation, it's going great. Although at first it was a bit discomforting and you're still getting used to this new body part now. And I just getting comfortable day by day in my own skin and discovering my whole new body. So it's going great. I just want to thank everyone who have been part of my journey and supported me throughout, from the public and my family as well at the same time. At the same time, the hospital is so nice. Like, it doesn't feel like a hospital, first of all. And the staff and the doctors and everyone else have made me feel so comfortable and so nice. Like, I feel very safe here. Like I don't feel like going back home. My advice or suggestion to the whole community out there is that I would just say, like, whenever times are the hardest, like whenever you feel the most misunderstood and it may feel like nothing's going your way, trust me, everything is aligning for who you want to become one day. And it's, at the end of the day, this whole journey is a blessing for you. To be honest, for me, transitioning has made me grow so much as a person, and I'm sure, like, with your discovery and self-discovery in terms of gender identity or anything else that is there in your life, I'm sure you're gonna achieve that. And whatever hardships come along with it, don't think about it as like why it's happening to me. Think about it as it's happening to me for a reason, and it's only going to make you stronger and happier in the long run. Those teachings have got me so far in life, and I'm just going to continue to evolve from it, and I hope you guys try to implement in your lives as much as possible. As soon as I step out into this world, I'm going to feel normal again, which I couldn't for the longest, and that's the most that I'm looking forward to.